On this video, now you will learn how to solve problem that involves angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, so let's have the first problem. So I will read. The Tower Mall in Trece Martires City is 15.24 meters high. So at a certain distance away from the tower, an observer determines that the angle of elevation to the top of it is 41 degrees. So how far is the observer from the base of the tower? So assume that on the given illustration, here is the Tower Mall. And based from the problem, it says that the height of this Tower Mall in Trece Martires City is 15.24 meters. And at a certain distance, this one, away from the tower, an observer determines that the angle of elevation, so ibig sabihin po, it's above the horizontal line of sight is 41 degrees. So, nandito po si 41 degrees. So, what is being asked from the problem is that how far is the observer from the base of the tower. So, as you can see, kung mapapansin po, we formed here a right triangle. So, since this is a right triangle formed between the given illustration, ang tinatanong sa problem ay yung distance po ng observer dito sa base ng tower. So, ibig sabihin, from your right triangle part niya, ito po yung nawawala. Okay, so it's one of the leg that is missing from your right triangle. Now, we have here this two given data and this unknown side. Just like in solving right triangle, we will determine the relationship of this unknown side, this given side, to your reference angle or given angle, which is 41 degrees. So if this is your reference angle, what is the relationship of the height of the tower? It's opposite side, while the unknown side is the adjacent side. So, among the primary function, alin po doon yung may ratio na opposite and adjacent? Okay, very good. Tangent. So, this is the most important thing na dapat alam nyo how will you create. Okay? Kasi pag mali po kayo dito, hanggang dulo, mamamali na po kayo. Okay, so we have this formula that will help us determine the distance of the observer from the base of the tower. So once we already formulate the formula that we're going to use, we're just simply to substitute the given and the unknown side. So tangent theta is now equal to tangent of 41, equal to the opposite side is 15.24 all over your adjacent side is x. Okay, so afterwards, we cross-multiply. Okay, cross-multiply lang po natin. So that will become x of tangent of 41 is equal to 15.24. Since yung goal natin is only to solve for x, but itong x na to ay may kasama pa pong tangent of 41, so i-divide po natin both sides of our equation by tangent of 41 so that we can eliminate here. At ang matitira na lang po dyan ay si x. Now, using the table of values, we have to first determine the value of tangent of 41. And the value of tangent of 41 is 0.8693. So, tsaka po natin gamitin ang calculator. I-divide po si 15.24 by 0.8693. So, what is the value of x? So, your x is simply equal to 17.53. So, therefore, we can say that the observer is 17.53 meters away from the base of the tower. So, that is our problem number 1. Okay. Let's have this problem number 2. So, Mr. Calderon is standing on the second floor of the math building and he looked down to the guardian who wanted to submit the outputs of his child on the street of Daang Amaya Dos. If the angle of depression to the guardian is 33 degrees and the distance of Mr. Calderon and the guardian is 22.04 feet, how tall is the building from its bottom where Mr. Calderon is? Okay? So, here is Mr. Calderon. Nasa second floor po siya ng math building. At ito po yung parent na tinitignan niya na magpapasa ng output. And the angle of depression daw po to the guardian is 33 degrees. At yung distance po niya from ni Mr. Calderon and sa guardian po ay 22.04 feet. Okay? So, we have here this given illustration. Since andito si 33 degrees, so hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin that this is also 30 degrees. Alternate interior angle are equal or congruent. So, therefore, this 33 degrees, ito po siya, at ito po yung hinahanap na distance. Okay? Kung gaano daw po kataas yung building from the bottom kung saan nandun si Mr. Calderon. So, that 33 degrees, anong relationship niya? Bakit dito? Alternate interior po. Okay? And ito yung distance ni Mr. Calderon dito sa parent na magpapasa ng output. So, we formed here a right triangle. Again, observe. So, given dito si hypotenuse, yung 22.04 feet, etong angle which is 33 degrees as your reference angle now. Now, what is the relationship of this 33 degrees or to the unknown side of your right triangle? Okay, very good. That is the opposite side. So, we have here opposite and hypotenuse. So, ano po sa primary function? Ang may ratio na opposite and hypotenuse. Okay, very good. That is sine theta or sine. So we have here sine of 33 is equal to opposite. That is the missing side. So that will be x. And the hypotenuse, which is 22.04. Then we cross multiply. So that will become x is equal to, multiply natin si 22.04 by sine of 33. So getting the value of sine of 33, that is 0.5446. So, using our calculator, we get here the value of x as 12. That is 12.00 or simply 12. So, therefore, the height of the building from its bottom where Mr. Calderon is 12 feet. Okay, that is our problem number 2. Okay, for our last problem. Today is the scheduled flight of Teen and her friends trip to Boracay Island. An airplane is flying at a height of 4 kilometers above the ground. The distance along the ground from the airplane to the Boracay airport is 6 kilometers. So what is the angle of depression from the airplane to the Boracay Island? Okay? So, this problem naman po, ang hinahanap po ay yung measurement ng angle. Given naman po yung measurement ng dalawang side ng ating right triangle na mapo-form. So, it says that that airplane is flying at a height of 4 kilometers above the ground. At yung distance daw po along the ground from the airplane to the Boracay Airport ay 6 kilometers. So, what is being asked is the angle of depression from the airplane to the Boracay Island. So, kagaya po ng illustration natin kanina, kung nandito yung angle na hinahanap, it can say or we can say that these two angles are congruent. So, pwedeng ito yung maging reference angle natin. So, if here is your reference angle, anong relationship nito? Opposite. And this one, adjacent sides. So, therefore, we have here the ratio opposite over adjacent, which we will use the function of tangent. Okay, very good po. So, let us substitute. So, tangent theta still remain theta since missing po yung angle. Equal to opposite is 4 and your adjacent is 6. 4 divided by 6. So, we have to negate our function tangent for us to get the value of your angle. So, we have here tangent or theta is now equal to the negation of tangent 4 divided by 6. And that is equal to 0.6667. To determine the value of your x or the measurement of your angle, we have to look on the table of values. Kung wala po yung pinakasakto, what will you get ay yung pinaka malapit po na value kay 0.6667. And the closest angle with the given value is that 33 degrees and 40 minutes. So we can say that the Boracay Airport has an angle of depression of 33 degrees and 40 minutes from the airplane. So that is on how we solve problem that involves angle of elevation and angle of depression.